We are Consysa, Construction Systems of America. Construction Site Manager. A construction site manager must ensure that the construction project is completed to meet the initial objectives within the given time frame, is finished accurately within the estimated budget. Construction site management is usually a shared duty between the construction site manager and the diverse contractors. Duties of a construction site manager are: project management planning. This involves the general planning of task, activities, and the method of procedure to be adopted in completing a particular project. Cost management. Project costs are managed efficiently throughout the course of the entire project. Quality management. Construction site manager must ensure that building contractors employed for the project must execute the project to meet specifications for quality standard. Contract administration. Project construction process will include the extensive contract agreement with the client. Safety management. The construction site manager must ensure that operations carried out on a construction site are danger-free. So if you have any question, always reach out to our support team at consysa.com. Thank you.